Karen, my name is Barb Hunter, and you are getting my Corona look. A no makeup, undyed hair at the moment. I could be talked into looking a little better if this becomes a regular gig. I decided to go ahead and read a little passage from this book called Gift from the Sea that a friend gave me, and to get in the right camera. Okay, you can see it there. Okay, Gift of the Sea. A friend of mine gave me this, and honestly, I have not read it, but it had some lovely short passages, so I thought I would start with that. In terms of what I normally like to read, I do a lot of literary fiction. I just finished Handmaid's Tale and Testaments, and I'm reading Pachinko right now. I love mysteries. Happy to read mysteries. I have a lot of short little mysteries, too, which I think might be good for folks. Edgar Allan Poe, things like that, or short mysteries. I am not a big fan of history. I probably wouldn't be interested in religious topics per se. Philosophical is fine. In terms of nonfiction, I do like medical nonfiction. Psychology is my field, so I'm always interested in that. So those are possibilities. But in terms of what's on my shelf at home, I have literary fiction and mysteries for the most part. Some nonfiction. Anyway, so here's a little passage from Gift from the Sea. The beach is not the place to work, to read, write, or think. I should have remembered that from other years. Too warm, too damp, too soft for any real mental discipline or sharp flights of spirit. One never learns. Hopefully one carries down the faded straw bag, lumpy with books, clean paper, long overdue unanswered letters, freshly sharpened pencils, lists and good intentions. The book remains unread, the pencils break their points, and the pads rest smooth and unblemished